Number 25, the bamboo lemur. With jaws designed to crack through bamboo, which makes up most of its diet, there are only about 100 of these lemurs left in the rainforests of Madagascar. Number 24, the spoon-billed sandpiper. Living in northeastern Russia and often found wading through shallow water, there are fewer than 1,000 of these tiny birds left. Number 23, the Jamaica rock iguana. Although it was declared extinct for many years, it was found again in the remote Hellshire Hills of Jamaica in 1970. Number 22, the geometric tortoise. Living in Cape Province, South Africa, this species is now threatened by habitat destruction and predation. Number 21, the stubfoot toad. Not seen since 1995, it lives in the lowlands of Ecuador and was found again in the mid-90s. Number 20, the Araripe manakin. As of now, there are only 779 manakins in Brazil. Due to an increase in logging and other activities, they've suffered habitat loss. Number 19, the rollaway monkey. In the past, it could be found in the rainforests of Côte d'Ivoire and Ghana, but today it's extinct in Ghana and severely endangered in Côte d'Ivoire. Number 18, the Cuban greater funnel-eared bat. Found in Cueva La Barca, Cuba, there are only 100 of these bats left in the wild. Number 17, Durell's voncira. This crazy-looking marsh dweller is found in only one place on Earth, near Lake Aleotra in Madagascar. Number 16, the Goody tarantula. Living in southeast India and Sri Lanka, everything from firewood collection to civil unrest have been blamed for its endangerment. Number 15, the Anganoka. Also known as the plowshare tortoise, this is often considered the rarest tortoise on Earth. Like many other animals on this list, it's endemic to Madagascar. Number 14, the jumping shrew. For seemingly apparent reasons, it used to be known as the elephant shrew. Today, this creature resides in the Boni Dodori forest in Kenya and is critically endangered. Number 13, the angel shark. Looking more like a ray than a shark, this creature used to inhabit the Atlantic Ocean, Mediterranean Sea, and Black Sea, but now is a rare sight in these waters due to fishing. Number 12, the northern hairy-nosed wombat. There are only 115 of these animals left in the wild, and they all live in Epping Forest National Park in Australia. Number 11, the hirola. With just over 500 left in the wild, they can only be found in one small area on the border of Kenya and Somalia. Number 10, the common sawfish. Living mostly in northern Australia, the sawfish's aptly named snout helps it forage for food on the ocean floor. Number 9, the Tonkin snub-nosed monkeys. Endemic to North Vietnam, there are less than 200 left in the wild. Number 8, the Sumatran rhino. Hunted for its horn, which is used in traditional medicines, there are barely 200 of these rhinos left in Malaysia and Indonesia. Number 7, the tiger quoll. A carnivorous marsupial native to Australia, it hasn't been seen by humans for nearly 10 years until someone captured an image in 2012. Number 6, the spotted deer. One of the world's most endangered mammals, it lives in the rainforests of the Philippines and was captured on film for the first time last year. Number 5, the warty pig. Another hard-to-film animal found in the Philippines, there are only a couple hundred left in the wild. Number 4, the Florida panther. With only 20 left in 1970, it's made a slight resurgence, but it's still not a very common sight. Number 3, the white lion. Not seen in the wild since 1994, these lions are not albinos and are native to the Timbavati region of Africa. Number 2, the snow leopard. A very rare sight in the wild. When 2 snow leopard cubs were photographed in the mountains of Tajikistan last year, it got a lot of media attention. And number 1, the giant squid. The first video of this legendary creature was recently captured by Japanese scientists nearly a kilometer below the surface of the ocean.